this is how we can insert an image into another image on the Android phone. I'm going to show it to you exactly how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So if you go to the Play Store, you're going to need an app for this purpose, as it's not possible to do it without using the built-in apps. And I would recommend you to get the Foxtecc photo editor. To make things clear, I'm not affiliated with them. It's not I recommend just this app. Of course, you can do it with other ones, but as you can see, we can download it for free. It is available without any subscription or a paywall for most of the things that we are about to do. So that's why I would just recommend you to do it. It might take a while for it to install, as it's quite of a larger app, but this is actually made by the creators of CapCut. So if you're familiar with the CapCut video editor, then those same people have kind of developed the app, and it just means that it's probably going to be a good one. So it is still installing, and the point is that using this app, you can kind of paste images on the top of each other. And now that we have the app downloaded, you can see this is what it looks like. You can get inside and kind of go through the setup process, allow the conditions and allow photos access and so on. And using this app, we will have the ability to access the photos as so. So as I said, you need to click on allow. And now at first, we need to paste in here the background image at first, right? So let's say that this is going to be the background image, which I select for this purpose. Like so. And now that the image gets imported into the app, what we have to do is to scroll through the options and essentially find at the bottom, you can see we have the things in here, and you can essentially click on import a picture. And now this is going to pull up another time the same gallery, and we can bring in here another photo, for example, this one right in here. You can bring it in as it is, or you can also click on the auto select, which means that it will analyze the image, select the part that you want to keep, it got selected, and the rest of it will be removed. So that's how you can remove the background. So I'm going to confirm it, right? And then now I have the image, which I placed on the top of this, and I can kind of resize it and rotate it however I like, place it wherever I want. And now I essentially have two pictures, which means that one is placed on the top of the other one. So if I'm happy about it, obviously I can make so many more changes and tweaks to that image. But if I'm happy, I can click on export and it will be saved in my gallery like so. So I can go to the photos and see for myself that this is the latest image which I created and placed one picture on the top of another one using Foxtecc. As you can see, no subscription needed or anything. So I think it's really cool. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later.